As we continue to work towards rebounding here in southern Colorado, a growing number of people are experiencing stress, anxiety, and loneliness, which has led to a surge in calls to crisis hotlines and suicide prevention services, which is why News 5's Patrick Nelson sat down with a few local mental health experts and trained volunteers to learn more about what they're seeing on the front lines as they work to answer the call from those in need.
Year after year, mental health experts have tried to combat the startling number of suicides in El Paso County. There was a major concern that we would see a spike in suicides as a result of the coronavirus and lockdowns. But it turns out suicide numbers are actually down compared to this time last year, as a record number of people call for help.
So right after the Safer at Home order went into effect, our call volume increased by 75%.
With the Pikes Peak Suicide Prevention Partnership seeing this surge in people asking for help and the state's crisis hotlines seeing record numbers of calls, mental health experts feared we'd see a spike in people taking their lives during this stressful point in history.
Year to date, we're actually about 20 cases behind where we were last year with suicides.
Thanks to volunteers in the Pikes Peak region who are making time to take calls and to help, needs are being met and lives saved.
We haven't seen a spike, which is what we were very fearful of with this pandemic. And we thought for sure. And so what I think is that our community has done a good job in the past 3 years of kind of stabilizing the situation to some extent. Now, what I can also say is that any number of suicides is a bad number. And what we want to see is a reduction.
Since April, Pikes Peak Suicide Prevention Partnership has offered 170 free individual therapy sessions to help people manage their mental health. And people are available to talk 24/7. For that contact information and information about support groups, you can head to our website, koaa.com. Always watching out for you. Patrick Nelson, News 5.